Una sa ating balitaan, ASEAN Centrality. Yan ang isusulong ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa pagharap niya kay Russian President Vladimir Putin para sa ASEAN-Russia Commemorative Summit. May report si Harley Valbuena.
Nasa Russia na si President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. para sa nakatakdang pagdalo sa ASEAN-Russia Commemorative Summit. Ito ang kauna-unahang pagbisita ng Pangulo sa Russia o halos 50 taon matapos ang makasaysayang pagbisita ng kanyang amang si dating Pangulong Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. sa nooy Soviet Union. Bilang ASEAN Chair ngayong taon, pangunahan ng Pangulo ang ASEAN leaders sa pagharap kay Russian President Vladimir Putin. Tatalakayin ang kooperasyon sa peace and security, trade and investment, food and energy security, science and technology, digital transformation, education, tourism, at people-to-people exchanges.
As chair of ASEAN, the Philippines is committed to ensuring that this commemorative summit produces substantive and forward-looking outcomes that deepen ASEAN's strategic partnership with Russia and contribute in concrete terms to regional peace, stability, and shared prosperity.
Magkakaroon din ng bilateral meeting ang Pangulo kay President Putin para pagtibayin pa ang 5 dekada ng diplomatic relations ng Pilipinas at Russia.
That milestone opened an enduring chapter in Philippines-Russia relations grounded in mutual respect, dialogue, and cooperation. Our discussions will focus on concrete areas of mutual interest, particularly energy and food security.
Ayon naman kay Philippine Ambassador to Moscow, Igor Bailen, inaasahang makatutulong ang Russia sa pagtitiyak ng supply ng langis at maging pagkain para sa Pilipinas sa harap ng krisis sa Middle East.
We know that recently we were able to import Russian oil for the first time since 2019. So energy security is going to figure, I think, in the discussion. Food security also because Russian Federation, Russians are interested in Philippine seafood and Filipinos are interested in Russian meats.
Inaasahang itataguyod din ng Pangulo ang proteksyon at kapakanan ng nasa 15,000 Pilipino sa Russia na karamihan ay nagtatrabaho sa services sector. Alinsunod sa tema ng ASEAN na Navigating Our Future Together, isusulong ng Pilipinas ang ASEAN Centrality, kaakibat ng inklusibo at rules-based regional framework na nakabatay sa international law. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.